Hey, what's going on, everybody? This man is Truly Yokawa speaking. So, how we traded this week? Today is Friday, and then from the 22nd of June, so you can see, it was a Eurochef. Eurochef it yielded some profit, man. So about let me see. Oh, my hand cannot calculate very quick. So, but then I believe it's 90 pips. Yes, 90 pips, 80 pips around there. And then this trade actually we kicked out from this trade. And then later on you can see students, they're making morning breakfast to profit early here. So this one took profit early, and then the 24th, we're respecting the market, by the way. 24th it was Euro USD, and then it paid, man, it paid. Also GBP USD, it also paid 90 pips there. It was running 20 pips, 30 pips on the 24th. So you can simply see that we do not trade every day. We do not trade every day. Other days we just now see how the market behaves and stuff. So this was the trade going all the way to the downside. I told them to take 50 pips and go, but then it paid me 90 pips this one, and then USD CAD it is also paying. And then now today it was just that. So moving in pound from 43 to 220 GBP. Alright, so on my channel it's another story. So yeah, this is it, mate. If you want to join my channel, definitely I'll drop the link for my channel. I'll drop the link here. It is Manuel Truly Yokawa FX Traders. So for